back to the video. Couldn't tell with today's title. We are doing my squishy collection video, so let's go to the video. So the first squishy I have, we're going to start off with my commons actually. First squishy I have for my commons is this panda ice cream. It's really defective. Then we have this, I don't know what this is this unicorn puff. Sorry. Then we have this really defective I Believe fox. It had air bubbles all around here. That's why it got really defective. Then we have this jumbo unicorn head. The lighting makes it look really dirty, but it's way cleaner. It's really defective. So, next up we have this squishy. I had to glue this back together because its head came off. A lot of my common squishies are really defective, so just don't mind that, please. Because my commons ones were like one of my first squishies, and yeah, so they became really defective. Next we have is this really dirty unicorn. Really dirty unicorn. It's, I don't know, I have no idea to catch all the defects it has. I don't really like this, but I just still keep it. Next we have is this brownie. I actually got this from Girl Scouts when I did Girl Scouts. It's really defective on the raspberries. Yeah. Next we have is this Orb China hot dog. Then we have this really, really dense cat ice cream. And then we have this burger. This yellow lip gloss poop. This milk carton. A purple stain right there. I have no idea what Then we have this french fry. It's really dense. It's a part of the set with the hot dog, fries, and burger. Then we have this pen squishy. Sorry. Getting pen, my commons, we have Yo-Yo Lip Gloss Mermaid. It's really defective. This Vitty Panda. This polar bear. I think it already had the stain on it, but I really wanted it for some reason. I don't know why I got it, but even with it having a stain on it, like there were other squishies there, but then we have this really defective, probably the most defective squishy. Is the yellow lip gloss milk carton double milk. This M&M cookie. Pretty surprised at the M&M squishy. I don't know if that's that. But like for the yeah, so we have this toast, this foam, and then a donut, really defective. Then this used to be a cat burger, and I hated this design, so I just cut it. Now on to my licensed squishies. My licensed squishies collection has grown so much. So yeah. Very squishy. This is a new one. I got it yesterday, I think, or 2 days ago. Is this Donald Duck Chicory brand licensed by Disney, or like Bud, whatever you want to call it. This is from Creamy Candy. Starting off with the Creamy Candies. Well, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna go in a different order. So this is also from a Creamy Candy grab bag, a Lampo alpaca. This also from a grab bag, the Creamy Candy one that I got yesterday is the Ivy Mini Flap Size Taker. I'm pretty sure this is like the bullet design. I don't know what design this is. So if you know what design this is, comment down below. But the customer disabled, so comment on my Instagram if you know what the design is called. So we have this Jumbo Pretty Maru Banana, the pink design. This is from Tremzilla. So we have the Silly Squishies Sugar Shop Donut. Smells like frosting. Like Silly Squishies. We'll try a mermaid squish. Oh, I missed two comments. We have this and then this little boy there. Then we have the Pretty Maru Crazy Poo, the strawberry design. That was really good. I definitely recommend these. They're super airy as well. This Marble Bear. The winking design. Then we have this Pebbles the Penguin. This is from Creamy Candy. The licensing is by CS Aussie. That means Cupcake Aussie. Aussie. Oh, here's the packaging for the one I'm just going to show you. Here's the Booty Owl. Here's the plastic. Here's what I got. I got the teal design. You could get the purple design and the teal design on Creamy Candy. They might have a pink design. I don't know where you can get that from. It's really airy and it smells like the Great NyQuil or Great Medicine. So we have the Silly Squishy Smarties, also from Mermaid Squish. Next we have is the Buddy Cake, also from Creamy Candy. I don't know what the licensing is. Oh, it's from Squishy Fun. Also from a grab bag is the iBloom Angel Buddy. Packaging is adorable. Like Squishy we have like Star Shooter is also from a grab bag. Creamy Candy. We have, this is like a bag of my squishies that really don't have packaging. So, first one is this Hebrew Buddy head. This Pooty Maru Monkey Face Penguin. That's really good. Look at the little shade. One with the eyes open. She smells like lavender and lavender and lemon. And they're all licensed by Creamy Maru. Besides this one. Then we have this baby one. This one is not a stud, and I ordered another one of these because, as you can see, and the repackaging is from Marie Good. I think with every order you get repackaging. So we have the sleeping Billy the whale. I don't know if you guys could see that, but she's sleeping. Then we have the Bitty Billy. What we have is the Blue Foxy Sharebred, the pink design, pink and purple design. Then we have this cutie creative sea hairband. This also from a grab bag. This chibi moon cat, cloud nine cat. Packaging is really nice. Saw this on Creative Candy's website for $5. It was originally $20, but they had a discount. I thought it would just come in quick packaging, but this is really cute. So the next we have is this Hello Kitty squishy. This is also for the grab bag. This is licensed by Sanrio. The last license, no, actually not the last one we have is this Sweet Betty's Cafe mascot. Here's the packaging. I'll put all the information down below. They're really soft. Oh my god, that hurt. They're really soft and really, like, just really nice. Licensed by Betty's Cafe. They're super soft. They're really cute, so I definitely recommend these. The original price on Creamy Candy's website is $15 for the bunnies. For these bunnies, I don't know. Yeah, they're $15. So the last squishy I have is this Creamy Candy Yummy Bear Macaron. There's a license plate. Super cute. So that's it for my squishy collection. And here's just the packaging for Fluffy. Here's her packaging and the little ball chain. So yeah, that's really it for today's video. If you guys want to have me do more squishy content, I will be happy to. And here's the also little top and the Crazy Poo. Just a little strawberry. I will. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and bye guys!